Hi, top 10 Indian legendary love star. Number 10, name Castaway Chetri, date of birth 18 May 1998, body 36C 2533, nationality Indian. Number 9, name Supriya Shukla, date of birth 2 September 1999, body 34D 2532, nationality Indian. Number 8, Poonam Rajput, date of birth 21 July 2000, body 36A 2532, nationality Indian. Number 7, name Ankita Devi, date of birth 17 December 1997, body 34B 2531, nationality Indian. Number 6, name Neha Ansari, date of birth 29 June 1996, body 36C 2531, nationality Indian. Number 5, name Veronica Vanji, date of birth 24 January 1999, body 34B 2530, nationality Indian. Number 4, name Tanima Bachar, date of birth 10 February 1996, body 34C 2531, nationality Indian. Number 3, name Diva Burman, date of birth 19 March 1994, body 36B 2532, nationality Indian. Number 2, name Sunny Leon, date of birth 4 November 1983, body 36D 2634, nationality Indian. Number 1, name Tamanna Bhatia, date of birth 28 June 1997, body 36A 2532, nationality Indian.